Hello, everybody. I'm Marco, and what I'll tell you today is a journey. But before starting, I want to let you listen to these two sounds. So, what physicians do every day is to listen to the internal body sound to check the state of the body. This process, known as auscultation, is the first and most effective for the diagnosis purpose in the daily practice. So, auscultation with the stethoscope is and will be in the future the first step to recognize the most important disease. So, lung and heart disease are firstly recognized through auscultation. But 70 million are the people misdiagnosed every year, and 50 million are the mistakes on first diagnosis. So most of the users, so most of the physicians started using digital stethoscopes. But because they found some differences in frequencies and in sounds, they still use classic stethoscope in daily practice. There's 80% of them doing this. So we came with this solution. This is an add-on device for any classic stethoscopes, enabling amplification and filtering, storage in electronic health records, and sharing the sound with specialists. We have been in different clinics in the Netherlands. We've been in Radboud University Medical Center, in St. Martin's Clinic, in Termion clinics. We interviewed more than 30 users, and it was really helpful for them because it was able to recognize murmurs. It was really nice to have a chart and really helpful to have a chart on a smartphone. But at the end, we said, okay, how can we give to them the same experience that they have with the stethoscope without using cables? And then from the first device we have, we make an improvement. And then we have a second concept, that is our second device, that are electronic headset for stethoscope that communicates with the console panel, enabling the same experience that they have with the stethoscope, and as well, they can listen to that and they can share the sound as they did with the other devices. So we have, for remote monitoring, the Sone 1.0, for daily use, Sone 2.0. And the total market opportunity is of 1 billion. Actually, we have a strong patent nationalized in Europe, China, and US, so we are the only company enabling that enable every stethoscope to become digital. But sound are waves, and waves are recognizable. So we started data analysis to train our artificial intelligence in collaboration with the university in Italy, University of Calabria. And from last week, we awarded a good partnership with the Erasmus Clinical Center for scientifically validate our artificial intelligence with the best gold standard. So the business model is selling the first device, selling the second device, and once ready, the selling and for a yearly subscription and software for diagnosis support. So actually, we have now we are running our financing. We have 130K. That is a mix of Rockstart investment, a national Italian grant from Calabria Innova, a prize from EAT Health we awarded last year. We was second in a European competition. And as the last European Horizon 2020 SME instrument phase 1 fund. So this is our roadmap. So we are starting certifying the first product that will be ready at the end of July. So the first batch of 20 devices, will be delivered in September. So the second concept, the second product will be ready at the end of this year, and we will have the first result on artificial intelligence at the beginning of the new year. So we are looking at a certain point, so at the end of this year, we'll need some funds to grow our business. So we are looking for 200,000 euro. That will be 20% on product development, 80% on business development. So as said, I'm Marco. I'm the CEO and founder. With me, there is Andrea, he's a product manager in Italy. So we have 2 developers, strong developer, and 1 architect, industrial designer. There are 2 candidates in the ranking list to be a strong CTO in ICT for the near future. So grazie, and see you soon.